To ensure your Amazon Prime account remains secure, it's important to remove any old devices that are no longer in use. Follow these simple steps to manage your device settings effectively. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your Prime membership. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the account and list the option in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select your account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to your content and devices. In account settings, find and click on your content and devices. This section allows you to manage all your devices linked to your Amazon account. Step 4. Select the Devices tab. Within the Your Content and Devices section, click on the Devices tab. Here, you will see a list of all devices currently registered to your Amazon account. Step 5. Remove all devices. Locate the device you wish to remove from your account. Click on the device name and then select the option to deregister or remove. Confirm your choice to ensure the device is no longer associated with your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove all devices from your Amazon Prime security settings, helping to maintain your account's security.